In this video, we're going to go over the structure and function of the thoracoacromial vein. Firstly, where is this vein located? The thoracoacromial vein is located in each of the shoulder regions. If we take a closer look at the veins on the anterior view of the right shoulder, we can see the thoracoacromial vein highlighted in red. Where does this vein originate? This vein originates with 4 branches: the deltoid branch, the pectoral branch, the acromial branch, and the clavicular branch. What is the course of this vein? The 4 branches run from their points of origin towards the coracoid process of the scapular bone. Here they unite into one vein that runs a short distance to end by draining into the axillary vein. The axillary vein can be seen here highlighted in yellow. What is the function of this vein? This vein primarily functions in the transportation of deoxygenated blood from the deltoid, pectoral, acromial, and clavicular regions towards the axillary vein. From here, the blood drains into the axillary vein and onwards on its way back to the heart. And that concludes this video on the structure and function of the thoracoacromial vein.